Welcome to Digital Educator. In this video, you will learn about homologous and heterologous organs. When we try to understand evolutionary relationships, we identify that some traits have common ancestors. These traits in different organisms would be similar because they are inherited from a common ancestor. Now observe the animals on your screen. Try to think the functions of forelimbs of these organisms. Some of them are having wings, some have legs, some have hands, some have flaps, depending on where they are living and what function they have to perform. Now we will discuss about the homologous and heterologous organs. Observe the organisms on screen. What you are seeing on your screen now, you are seeing a bat, whale, cheetah, and a man. With the forelimb, bat fly, whale swims, cheetah runs, and man catches something. But if you observe internally the structure of the forelimb of these organisms, you will surprise that they have similar type of structure and arrangement of bones. So the organs which are structurally similar and functionally may differ with other organisms are called homologous organs. In the similar manner, observe the screen shown now. You are now seeing a bat, a pigeon, and a dragonfly. All the organisms are having wings and fly. But if you observe the internal structure of the forelimb of these animals, you find a lot of differences. So we can now say that organs with similar function and different structure are known as heterologous organs. I think it is clear that homologous and heterologous organs are symbols of evolution. If you like the video, please support the channel by like, share, and subscribe.